Here's how to stop pop-ups from ruining your focus. This is the first way to turn off all the notification in Windows 11. So simply press Windows and key and click this do not disturb button. I have turned this on, so to turn this on, make sure that goes on blue. This is going to instantly silence all the incoming notification. If you guys wanted to permanently block specific annoying apps, you need to go to Windows settings. So to do that, press Windows plus I, and it should take you to setting and go to system, then go to notification and scroll down, and you can customize the notification that you guys don't like it. For example, I've already did this with my browser here, so I have turned this off. And also, if you guys don't like some like the Adobe or other application like the mail itself, you can just set this off. All right, and you guys can also automate this using this one. Turn on do not disturb automatically. So you can trigger this during this time, so you can set your time as you prefer. You can set that up. So I have set this up on 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. and it's going to repeat on daily. If you wanted to do this on weekend, you can set that as well, and this will trigger when you guys are playing games or whenever you guys go to full screen mode. Or also this will apply on first hour after Windows feature get updated, because that time you will get a lot of junk and spammy emails. Sorry, not emails, but the notification. I hope this, if this video helps you out on setting up the peaceful notification, hit that subscribe for more rapid tutorials like this.